his way of saying hello to all of you.
Wow, are you guys having fun today? Wow, Thomas the Train, that's pretty cool. Awesome, well, have a good train ride, alright? Want to give it 5 days? Right on. Wow, that looks like a part of a well-balanced, healthy diet. Yeah, it sure does to me. Wow, yummy. Are you guys having fun today? Wow, and you're on Thomas the Train. That's pretty cool. Have a good train ride, guys, alright? See you later. Whoa, hey, dude, how's it going? You want to take a picture? You want to...